Are you looking for overview of wooden crafts projects that beginners should consider, emphasizing their importance and the reasons for making wooden crafts for personal use and for sale? Here's a structured approach to the topic: wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces, ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Wooden crafts have long been cherished as both a practical and artistic pursuit, offering individuals a unique way to express their creativity while also engaging in a rewarding hands-on activity. For beginners, embarking on wooden craft projects presents an excellent opportunity to develop new skills, foster patience and precision, and ultimately create beautiful items that can serve various purposes, from personal enjoyment to potential sales. The importance of wooden crafts cannot be overstated. They allow individuals to connect with nature, as wood is a natural material that brings warmth and character to any creation. Moreover, crafting with wood encourages mindfulness and focus, as it requires careful planning, measurement, and execution, which can be therapeutic in today's fast-paced world. Beginners should consider starting with simple projects such as birdhouses, picture frames, or small shelves, which not only help to build foundational skills in woodworking but also provide a sense of accomplishment upon completion. These projects typically require minimal tools and materials, making them accessible for those just starting out. As one gains confidence and experience, they can gradually take on more complex designs like furniture or intricate carvings, pushing the boundaries of their creativity and skill set. Additionally, crafting wooden items for personal use is immensely rewarding. Handmade wooden crafts can add a personal touch to home decor, serve as meaningful gifts for loved ones, or provide functional items that enhance everyday life. For instance, creating a custom cutting board or a set of coasters can elevate the aesthetic of a kitchen while also serving practical purposes. Furthermore, the act of creating something with one's own hands fosters a sense of pride and ownership that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Each crafted piece tells a story, reflecting the maker's personality and style, which is particularly valuable in an age where individuality is often overshadowed by consumerism. Beyond personal use, there is also a significant market for handmade wooden crafts. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many consumers are increasingly seeking unique, artisanal products that stand out from the typical offerings found in stores. This trend presents an exciting opportunity for beginners who may want to turn their hobby into a small business. By selling their creations at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media platforms, beginners can not only earn extra income but also share their passion with a wider audience. The process of selling handmade crafts can also be an enriching experience. It allows makers to engage with customers, receive feedback, and continuously improve their craft based on real-world interactions. Moreover, the wooden crafts community is incredibly supportive and welcoming to newcomers. There are numerous resources available, such as online tutorials, workshops, and forums, where beginners can learn techniques, share ideas, and seek advice from more experienced crafters. This sense of community can be invaluable as it fosters collaboration and encourages individuals to push their creative boundaries. As they become more skilled, beginners may even find themselves mentoring others or collaborating on projects, further enriching their crafting journey. Wooden crafts offer a multitude of benefits for beginners, ranging from personal fulfillment to potential entrepreneurial ventures. The importance of engaging in woodworking lies not only in the tangible items created but also in the skills developed and the connections made within the crafting community. When starting with wooden crafts, having the right tools and materials is crucial for success and safety. Beginners should begin with a basic toolkit that includes hand tools. Saws. A handsaw or a jigsaw is essential for cutting wood to the desired size. A coping saw can be useful for intricate cuts. Chisels. These are great for carving and shaping wood. A set of chisels in various sizes will allow for more detailed work. Files and sandpaper. These tools help smooth edges and surfaces, giving finished pieces a professional look. Clamps, useful for holding pieces together while glue dries or during assembly. Power tools, if desired. Drill. A cordless drill is invaluable for making holes and driving screws. Sander. An electric sander can save time and effort when smoothing surfaces. Router. This tool can add decorative edges and grooves to your projects. Materials. Wood types. Beginners can start with softwoods like pine or cedar, which are easier to work with than hardwoods. As skills improve, experimenting with hardwoods like oak or walnut can be rewarding due to their durability and beauty. Finishes. Wood stains, paints, and sealants protect the wood while enhancing its appearance. Natural oils like linseed oil can also be used for a more organic finish. As beginners dive into woodworking, mastering certain techniques will enhance their skills. Accurate measurements are crucial in woodworking. Use a tape measure, square, and marking pencil to ensure precision. Learn how to make straight cuts, curves, and angles. Practice sawing techniques to develop control over the tools. Understanding basic joinery methods such as butt joints, lap joints, and dowel joints will improve the strength and aesthetics of projects. Experiment with different finishing methods to achieve desired effects. Sanding is essential before applying any finish to ensure a smooth surface. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear such as goggles and gloves, keeping workspaces clean, and following tool safety guidelines. For those looking to turn their wooden crafts into a small business, consider the following tips. Determine what type of wooden crafts you enjoy making and what products are in demand. Specializing in a niche market can help you stand out. Focus on producing high-quality items rather than a large quantity. Buyers appreciate craftsmanship and attention to detail. Invest time in taking high-quality photos of your products for online listings or social media promotion. Good lighting and staging can enhance the appeal of your crafts. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to showcase your work. Consider setting up an online shop through platforms like Etsy or Shopify to reach a wider audience. Participate in local craft fairs or farmers markets to connect with customers directly. These events provide an opportunity to showcase your work and receive feedback. Build relationships with customers by sharing your crafting process, responding to inquiries promptly, and encouraging reviews or testimonials. Engaging in wooden crafts also has environmental advantages. Wood is a renewable resource, especially when sourced from sustainably managed forests. Choosing eco-friendly materials can reduce your carbon footprint. Many crafters repurpose old furniture or scrap wood into new creations, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Working with wood fosters a deeper appreciation for nature and encourages individuals to consider the environmental impact of their crafting choices. By creating and selling wooden crafts, makers can promote awareness about sustainable practices and inspire others to choose eco-friendly options. Wooden crafts provide an enriching experience for beginners looking to explore their creativity while developing valuable skills. The journey from novice to proficient woodworker involves learning about tools, materials, techniques, and the importance of safety practices. Whether crafting for personal enjoyment or entering the marketplace, individuals can find fulfillment in creating unique items that reflect their personality and craftsmanship. Moreover, the environmental benefits of woodworking underscore the value of embracing natural materials in our creations. By engaging in this timeless craft, beginners not only contribute to their personal growth but also connect with a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for creativity and sustainability. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.